Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover your suspended Instagram account. First, unlock your phone and open any web browser, such as Safari or Google Chrome. Now, tap the search bar and search for help.instagram.com. Once the Help Center opens, tap the search bar at the top of the page. Type Recover in the search bar, then scroll through the results. From the available articles, open Account Recovery and log in. Open the recovery link provided in the article to begin the account recovery process. Enter your Instagram username, tap Next, and provide any additional information requested. Complete the remaining steps and submit your request. Instagram will review your account and let you know whether your account can be recovered, or provide more information about its status. And that's how you can check the status of a suspended Instagram account and submit a recovery request. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.